Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a recreation, not really a recreation, it's more of like an inspired makeup tutorial from Mmmmitchell on Instagram. If you guys do not know who he is a really talented makeup artist that is on Instagram. Oh my god. Jeffree Star and Makeup Tutorials both have featured him on their channels, so if you haven't already seen those videos, go check them out. But after you watch this one, today I'm attempting to do a Mmmmitchell inspired makeup look with drugstore only products. If you guys haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the KB family, and also comment down below on what challenge do you think I should do next. Maybe a no mirror makeup challenge, 5-minute makeup challenge, and also give this video a like before you exit off this. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so I know my base doesn't fully match my neck, but it's okay. We are going to get back together with some concealer. Foundation that I use today, I'm not going to show because it's tomorrow's video, but it is drugstore, so just know that, as well as a primer. For my highlighting concealer, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Then I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13. Next, I'm taking my e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Next, I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm taking a Profusion palette from Walmart, and I'm taking the shades Popular and Sweetheart. This is a blush palette, by the way. I'm doing my eyebrows today with the Creme Shop Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Soft Brown. Then I'm going to take some concealer on my lids. So I really wanted to do a Mmmmitchell inspired look today and use the Wonderlust palette that is by Profusion Cosmetics. I'm going to use majority of this palette, but there are some shades that I want to use from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 and the Magic Mini palettes. For starters, I'm taking my Physicians Formula bronzer and I'm going to be applying that in the outer corner. Going into the Wonderlust palette, I am taking Nostalgia, going over that in the outer corner. I'm taking Kenya from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, and we're really deepening on that outer corner. Going into the Wonderlust palette, I'm taking Statement. I'm going to carve out the crease next. I'm going to take Cassie from the Mini Magic palette. Next, I'm going in with Chill all over the inner corner. I'm going in with Statement, applying that right here in the outer half. Going back in with Kenya. Lastly, I'm going in with a bit more of Chill. On an angled brush, I'm taking a little bit of my LA Girl brown gel liner, and I'm going to line my lid. For lashes, I'm taking my Kiss Lash Couture lashes in the Style Jubilee. I was gonna say shade style. While I wait for this to dry, I'm moving on to curling my lashes and applying mascara. The mascara I'm using today is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. This is a newer mascara that they came out with, and I'm actually really liking it. For lower lash line, I'm going in with some Nostalgia. Then I'm taking some of Kenya and really smoking out the lower lash line. I'm going to quickly contour my nose and I'll be right back. So I'm taking this highlighter from Wet n Wild. It is called I'm So Lit. We're going in with lips. Finally, I'm taking my Morphe Sugar Pie lip liner. The lipstick I'm using today is the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Lust. I like this combo. I've never put these two lip shades together. So I just purchased this yesterday. This is a new lip gloss from Milani. This is called the Ludicrous Lip Gloss in the shade whatever. Bitch. Ooh. Do we do a drugstore slay or what? Looks good. We need to finish it off with some Wet n Wild matte finish spray. I have the lid over here, don't worry, it's not lost. I don't know, you guys tell me, do you think I achieved the Mmmmitchell look? I really like this. It took me a second to get the pigmentation that I wanted, but besides that, it was a really simple look. I really do like this. This is really good. This lip is everything. Alright guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a like if you did, and also comment down below, what do you think about this look? Do you think I nailed it? Do you think that I could have used some work? Let me know in the comments down below. And also don't forget to subscribe before you click off this video. Alright? Okay? Alright.